Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Plug the Google TV dongle or box into power first. Many devices need external power to boot. Next, insert the HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your TV. Pick an ARC/eARC port only if you need audio return. Turn the TV to that HDMI input. You should see the Google TV boot screen. While it loads, get your Wi-Fi name and password nearby and install batteries in the remote. This gets you ready to pair and configure network settings. Once the boot screen shows pairing, hold the remote button combinations shown to pair. If it fails, reinsert batteries and try again. After pairing, select your Wi-Fi network and type the password carefully. Choose the 5 GHz band if available for reduced lag. The system will download updates. Let them finish. Sign in with your Google account to sync apps, preferences, and voice commands. Make sure location and permissions are enabled when asked so recommendations and casting work correctly. After network sign-in and updates, configure display resolution and HDR to match your TV. Set audio output to TV speakers or receiver via HDMI ARC as needed. Install your streaming apps and grant necessary permissions, then set preferences like default input and voice assistant settings. If you encounter black screen, no sound, or pairing failures, unplug power and replug after 10 seconds to reboot. If problems persist, swap HDMI ports or cable, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.